Thanksgiving 2025 is over, but I have this box of Turkey Perfect brine kit. This is the Cajun flavor, and I did notice that actually I bought it and it's good until 2030. So they give you a box that's good for 5 years. At least that's what they gave me. And I just kind of wanted to show you what's in it. You could go ahead and buy this and have it ready for next year. That way you're not scrambling last minute to get your flavoring for your turkey. So you have one big packet of seasoning, and then you also have this big plastic bag to place your turkey in, and also the mixture that you make up with this. And it shows you exactly on the box how you go about doing that. It says you'll need the package of Turkey Perfect brine mix. That's this stuff. And a fire and flavoring brining bag. That's the bag I just showed you. This big plastic bag. You're going to want to supply a cup of sugar, 7 quarts of water, a turkey, and this one's good for up to a 25-pound turkey. A 25-pound turkey. And then half a cup of vinegar and 2 quarts of ice. So don't cook the brine bag. You don't want to do that. And it shows you exactly how to go about it. There's directions here. So it is really, really straightforward. You're just going to follow the directions. Hope that helps. Next year, whenever you get your turkey ready, you'll have your kit. I'm going to taste this too. Probably shouldn't do this really, but I just wanted to get an idea. It smells really good. It smells really, really strong. Cajun flavors. It's got a great sense to it. Here is what it looks like. Just a fine powder seasonings and salts and things. So like I said, I am going to taste this. Probably shouldn't do this, but we're going to give it a taste. Tastes good. Tastes like a good Cajun seasoning. So yeah, if you like Cajun seasoning and want that on your turkey, this would be a good one. They have other flavors too. But yeah, it shows you exactly how to do it. So step by step, and it's good for several years. So hope that helps.